Oh man, these mini floorboards are a game changer, guys. Loving them. Stay tuned and I'll show you how I installed them. What's up guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys a little install. I just got my mini floorboards from San Diego Customs. Very high quality, and I love the overall shape of the mini floorboard. I love the shape of it, and if you look at the cutouts inside, they're like the same shape of the overall shape, and it just gives it a really nice aesthetic and just very clean. I also like all these grooves right here. It has all these like little teeth. It just feels really grippy, and I can imagine that these would be really easy to stand on, and I don't think your foot will be slipping off on these. So yeah, really nice, really great quality. And then, you know, I decided to get these ones in black, but I did get a different color for the back. I'll wait for the next episode to show you guys that. Unfortunately, I didn't get the hardware for the rear sets, so today I'm just going to show you guys how to install the front. Alright, so all you have to do now is basically remove this clip, and this little bolt should just slide right out. But you want to make sure you don't lose that clip because you're going to need it for later when you install the new floorboards. And you also want to maintain the spring. There's a spring in here. You're going to want to maintain that setup, and you're going to have to put it in the same way on the new floorboards. So just pop this guy off and slide this out and keep the spring. Yeah, got the clip off. This slides right out. All right, so there's that spring I was talking about. Just trying to remember the setup. Looks like there's a hole in there. The spring just goes in that hole. So pretty easy. Okay, so before we put these bad boys on, there is some assembly required. Put these on. These are called clevises, and these sets of clevises are good for the front. So I'm waiting on the rear sets because the rear sets are slightly different, but these clevises do have a little hole in there for the spring. So for each clevis and peg, you get one of these and two of these fastening type screws. Now you have some thread lock right here. You want to use the blue type to semi-permanent for all the hardware. All right, so we're back down here. I left this loose for now, so that way we can adjust it and everything like that. So we got the spring, we got to put the spring back in there. There is a hole, as you can see. Just gonna drop that spring in there, like so. There's a hole in the peg and a hole in here as well. You gotta line up the spring. There we go. There we go. All right. Boom, got it through. Now all we have to do is put this clip back on. Boom. Let's go ahead and get on here. Just find a good position. Seems like a good position to tighten it up. Tighten all these little screws. Perfect. Finally, I got it off. Oh my gosh. Say bye-bye to the old foot peg. Fasteners are a lot easier to push back on and take off, that's for sure. Alright, let's find a good position for these. Alright guys, we're going to take this on a little ride and test it out and see how they feel. Really excited. Give you my first impressions, but I already love the way they look. Very high quality, great build on them. Super happy with it. Just going to take it for a quick ride. I'm going to try to stand up on them, see how it feels, because I do like to stand up a lot on the motorcycles. Oh man, they're so grippy. My sneakers have rubber soles, but they are like stuck. I feel super secure to the bike. Oh, gotta let them pass. It feels so weird having more surface area. It just catches your foot. The install is pretty easy and straightforward. I hope you guys like the instructions. I try to be as detailed as possible. I guess the hardest part was removing the fasteners on the holding pin. Let me know if there's like a tool for that. And the vibrations coming through are very minimal. But I love how easy it is to stand on them. And I could like lean back because you're like, they're not slipping away at all. It's nice. I just need to get a better rear brake lever now so my foot doesn't slip off the rear brake. I should have got these mini floorboards sooner. This is a game changer, guys. So if you're interested in these floorboards, they're from San Diego Customs. I always like, you know, supporting local made, American made products. I'll go ahead and put the link in the description. This pair fits the Milwaukee 8 Softail. They don't have an option online to put them in the rear, but you just have to put it in the notes or call them in advance and let them know that you need the clevis or the clevis, I'm not sure how it's pronounced, for the rear set. Still waiting on my rear set, and I'll get those on. Until next time, guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm just going to enjoy the rest of this sunset and this ride. So keep riding safe, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Really helps out a lot to get this out there to more people. So until next time, guys, peace.